Welcome to Coin Explorer. Have you ever looked at a simple coin and wondered if it could hold more value than its face suggests? Today, we are exploring a 2004 United States quarter dollar that appears ordinary, but carries a deeper story. At first glance, it looks like any other coin used in daily transactions, something easily overlooked in your pocket or wallet. But when you take a closer look, you begin to notice details that make it far more interesting. This coin represents more than money. It reflects history, design, and the curiosity of collectors. As we move forward, pay attention to every detail because small features can make a big difference. By the end of this video, you may start seeing coins in a completely different way. What seems ordinary at first can sometimes reveal something unexpected. The 2004 quarter dollar is part of a well-known series that celebrates different states across the United States. Each coin released in this series carries a unique design linked to a specific state, making them collectible from the beginning. The coin in focus represents Iowa, a state known for its agricultural strength and commitment to education. When these coins were first released, millions entered circulation and became part of everyday use. However, over time, collectors began identifying certain pieces that stood out due to condition or unique traits. Not every coin from the same year holds equal interest, even if they look similar at first. This is where the journey of collecting begins, understanding why some coins gain attention while others remain common. Looking at the front side of the coin, also called the obverse, you will see the portrait of George Washington. This design has remained a consistent feature on quarters for many years. Around the top edge, the words United States of America are clearly visible, while Liberty appears on the left side. Just below, the denomination quarter dollar confirms its face value. The phrase, "In God We Trust," is placed near the portrait, adding a traditional element. While this design may seem familiar, collectors often focus on fine details such as clarity, mint marks, and overall finish. These small features can influence how a coin is viewed and appreciated within the collecting community.
Now turning to the reverse side, this is where the Iowa quarter reveals its unique identity. The design shows a one-room schoolhouse, symbolizing the importance of education in the state's history. You can also see a teacher with students and open farmland in the background, capturing a peaceful rural scene. Above the image, the phrase "foundation in education" highlights the theme clearly. The year 1846 represents Iowa's statehood, connecting the coin to its historical roots. At the bottom, the year 2004 and the phrase "e pluribus unum" are included. This detailed design transforms the coin into more than just currency, making it meaningful to collectors who appreciate history and storytelling. Condition plays a major role when it comes to coins like this. A coin that has been used frequently may show scratches, fading, or dullness. In contrast, a coin that has been carefully preserved can maintain its shine and sharp details. Collectors often compare coins based on their condition, as even small differences can affect appeal. Professional grading systems are sometimes used to evaluate coins, focusing on surface quality and overall appearance. A well-preserved coin from 2004 can stand out significantly compared to one that has been heavily circulated. This is why careful handling and storage are important for anyone interested in collecting. Rarity is another key factor that influences interest in coins. It does not always depend on how many were produced, but rather how many remain in excellent condition or have unique features. Some coins may include small variations or minting differences that set them apart. These differences are often difficult to spot, but can make a coin more desirable. Collectors enjoy searching for these rare characteristics, examining coins closely for anything unusual. As more people join the hobby, the demand for such coins increases. This growing interest can bring attention to coins that might otherwise go unnoticed. The 2004 Iowa quarter has become a topic of discussion among collectors due to its design and potential variations. Many people enjoy checking their spare change, hoping to find something special. This process adds excitement to collecting, turning a simple activity into an engaging experience. Stories of rare finds often encourage others to start looking more closely at their own coins. While not every coin will be unique, the possibility keeps collectors interested. It is this sense of discovery that makes coin collecting enjoyable and rewarding for many people around the world today.
The market for collectible coins continues to grow as more people become interested in the hobby.
Auctions and private sales allow collectors to exchange coins based on demand and rarity. In these settings, the value of a coin can change depending on interest and competition. When multiple collectors are interested in the same piece, prices can increase quickly. This creates an exciting environment where each coin has its own story. The 2004 quarter is one of many coins that has gained attention in such discussions, especially when unique examples appear in the market. There have been conversations among collectors about certain 2004 quarters reaching very high valuations under specific conditions. These discussions often focus on rare characteristics or exceptional preservation. In some cases, figures as high as $69 million are mentioned in collector circles. Such numbers are not typical and depend on unique circumstances that make a coin stand out. These conversations highlight the potential that even modern coins can have. They also show how value can vary depending on rarity, demand, and collector interest. This adds an element of curiosity and excitement to the hobby. The journey of a coin from everyday use to collector interest is shaped by time and attention. Coins that were once ignored can become valuable as people begin to notice their features. This gradual change in perception can increase demand for certain pieces. The 2004 Iowa quarter is an example of how design and meaning can influence interest. As collectors continue to share information, more people become aware of these coins. Each discovery adds to the overall story and keeps the collecting community active and engaged. For beginners, coins like the 2004 quarter offer a great starting point. They are easy to find and provide an opportunity to learn about design and condition. By examining different coins, new collectors can develop a better understanding of what makes a coin special. Over time, this knowledge helps in identifying pieces that may have higher appeal. Collecting is not only about value, but also about learning and exploration. Each coin presents a chance to connect with history and develop a deeper appreciation for the craft.
Experienced collectors often highlight the importance of patience. Finding a unique coin requires careful observation and time. It is not something that happens instantly, but through consistent effort. The reward comes when a collector discovers something unusual or rare. These moments create excitement and keep the hobby interesting. The process of searching and learning is just as important as the result. This is why many collectors remain passionate about coins for years, always looking for the next interesting find. The State Quarter series, including the 2004 Iowa design, brought new attention to coin collecting. By featuring different states, these coins created a connection between everyday currency and history. People began to see coins as more than just money, recognizing their cultural value. This approach helped attract a wider audience to collecting. The Iowa quarter stands out with its educational theme, making it both meaningful and visually appealing. It represents a blend of art, history, and everyday use. Every coin has its own journey, from the moment it is minted to the many hands it passes through. The 2004 quarter dollar is no different, carrying both history and potential. Whether it is kept as a simple piece of currency or added to a collection, it holds value in different ways. Taking the time to examine coins closely can reveal details that are easy to miss. This attention to detail is what makes collecting rewarding. It turns a common object into something worth exploring. The next time you find a 2004 quarter dollar, take a closer look at it. Notice the design, the condition, and any small details that make it unique. What appears ordinary may hold more interest than expected. While not every coin will reach extraordinary levels of value, the possibility keeps the experience exciting. Coin collecting is about curiosity and discovery, and every coin has a story to tell. Keep exploring and observing, because sometimes the most interesting finds are hidden in plain sight.